Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert an Excel sheet to a PDF document. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to save your Excel file as a high quality PDF without losing formatting. Whether you are using Microsoft Excel or Windows or Mac, this method works perfectly. But before starting this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it. I will take it a token of appreciation. So let's start the video. See, this is an Excel sheet which we want to convert into PDF document. So you have to open this website. The link is given in the description of this video, so you will easily find it. Go to the website. This is the interface of this website. Convert Excel to PDF. Click on select Excel files. Find your file, choose it and click open button. See, your file is uploaded here. Now press convert to PDF button. Download your file and see your Excel sheet. Download your file and see your Excel sheet is converted into PDF document. So that's it. How to convert Excel sheet into PDF document. If you have any questions about the entire process, please leave a comment below. If this video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.